Good afternoon, YouTubers, Discord people. It's East Weymouth Chris here. I'm just chilling out my Rick stuff. I got my mainline hat. I got my Island, that Spring Summer 2013 shirt. Got my Rick hoodie. Got my pod shorts. Can't see them, but I got my Geo baskets. I don't think there's anything missing here, except the jacket. I ain't got no Rick jacket. Hey, wait a second. That reminds me. Essence came in a day early. We call this a big motherfucking thing. We call that promising bronze and delivering gold. Now I'm gonna open this hella careful because I don't know if this is gonna fit. This is a Mollino, and I ordered a 54 Mollino. Never copped a Rick. Oh, let's do it from the other one. I ordered a 54 Mollino. I know that the Intarsia, which I think is of the same family as the Mollino, fits me like a glove at 54. I also know that the bomber jacket, which I tried on at Barney's, fits me at 52 and is a little bit too boxy at 54. So, oh, look at this. They seem to have included a hanger. That's wicked piss, as we say in the South Shore. So let's just get this hanger out. Oh! Oh, we got a Rick. I don't know if this is a Rick garment bag. This might not be a Rick garment bag because it does not say Rick Owens, and everything Rick related does in fact say Rick Owens, but oh, this is a Mollino, and it looks promising. I think I can fit this perfectly. It's got all that good Rick stuff on it. I'm going to make sure that I don't dislodge any tags because, like I said, I'm not even close to 100% certain that this bad boy going to fit me. But I'm cautiously optimistic. It looks promising. I'll grant you that. Ow. Let's put my eye out. Woo! Well, I think it's too big. I think I may have fucked this up. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Let me see though. It's got that flap thing. Yeah, I think this is bad. Fuck. Fuckity fuck. Well, let me get it. I can't even get a good look at it though, so it's hard to tell. Actually, I think the sleeves are supposed to be long. I'm gonna have to ask my Discord people after I put this up. So this is me wearing it with a sweatshirt. Let me zip it all the way up for that. Whoa! Let's not wreck my shirt. This is a shit unboxing video, whether it fits me or not. Whoa, actually, that's tight enough to suggest that I didn't fuck this up. Well, gonna have to take some pictures and find out.